Hi friends, welcome back on my channel. You can see how beautiful that looks. It looks like Christmas tree. You can see how beautiful it looks. And there is playground you can see, and basically many people are there who are I think taking photos or videos. Okay. Hi friends, welcome back on my channel. So today I think it's 37th day of our target that we have started. If you do not know what this target is, you can watch few of my videos. If you're watching me for the first time, let me tell you that my name is Nutan, and yes, this channel I have opened because I just want to do practice, and I also want you people also to practice English with me. So if you also are taking this target to speak English for 60 days, what you can do is you can subscribe my channel and you can watch that. You will get to know that how we can start that and what are all tips and tricks that we basically can follow if you want to speak English fluently. So, friends, today in this video, I'm going to tell you three tips if you are a beginner and if you want to begin your journey or target for 60 days. What you can do is I'm going to tell you in this video. So make sure to subscribe my channel if you want more videos like this. So yeah, let's get started. So, friends, first tip or first, I would say, idea that I'm gonna give is you need to read a lot of books. Friends, if you are a beginner and you do not even make a structure or sentences, or you cannot even speak English, like you cannot even speak sentences also. If you can speak English, if you can construct any sentences, or you know how to make structure for English, then you can go further. But if you are means in your at your begin means if you are beginning this journey and if you do not know anything, that what you can do is you need to start from reading. And if I'm saying reading, that you need to start from stories books. Friends, I always prefer reading stories book rather than newspapers, because on newspapers there are many words that we do not even use in our day to day life. So you can start from stories books. There are many advantages of that. That is very easy to understand also. If we are reading English books, vocabularies are also there, that is very easy to understand, and structures also, that is very easy to understand. So, friends, if you are a beginner, then I am suggesting you to go for, uh, you know, stories books of children's. Okay, now let's move on. Let's see second point. So friends, second point is what you can do is you can you know pick any five vocabulary that should be very easy also, and also that should be like we can use that in day-to-day life. So that vocabulary should be like that. What you can do is you have to write five vocabulary. You can stick it like on paper, on wall also. You have to write that on paper and you have to stick that on in the wall. And what you can do is you have to, whenever you see that, you have to make structure, like you have to kind of make sentences using that vocabularies. And what will happen is if you are sticking that paper on the wall, that every time whenever you will see that, you will came to know that yes, I need to make one sentences or structure using that vocabulary. So that will be very helpful. And also if you're a beginner, then make sure that your vocabulary also should be very simple. It should not be very fancy or it should not look like a very kind of fancy words. You have to kind of choose simple words that is also very easy to understand and also to use also. So that is the third thing. And friend, if I will talk about third tip, I would suggest you to go for tenses. I have seen many videos where people say that you don't need to go for tenses and all those things. But friends, if we do not even know how to make structure, then how can you be able to speak English, and how can you be able to make structure? So, friends, if you are a beginner, I would suggest you to go for tense, and especially for present tense. Like present tense, we have like uh, present tense, past tense, and future tense also. So, but you have to mainly focus on present tense. And what you can do is you can just write the structure or rules of present tense, and you have to stick in the wall. And whenever you see that rules, what you have to do is you have to kind of make sentences. Try to even make sentences using that rules. So friends, what happens is, if because we are not getting environment in our home, so if we are starting anything, then we have to start from very begin, we have to start from very simple. So I'm suggesting you, if you do not even know how to make structure, then what you can do is you need to just start from present tense. You have to start from present tense. After that, if you think that okay, I can make structure using present tense rules, and then you have to go further for like past tense and future tense. But first you need to start from that, right? So if you are a beginner, you have to first take a target, and you have to follow these three rules, and also very strictly. So, friends, if you like this video, you can comment me in the comment section below. If you want to ask me anything, you can ask me. And yeah, for more videos, what you can do is you can just subscribe my channel. So you can get notifications also if you will subscribe my channel. Okay, so we will meet next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.